I had 2 slices of queso sausage.
Cool.
What did you have?
I had 4 slices of cheese and some Sprite.
Boom! It's gonna be too easy.
This guy's so cocky because he never loses. Time to change that.
Who is this nobody? And did you bring my money to lose?
Got your money, just shut up and play.
That's a bet then.
You ready? You ready? Go!
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Haha, kid, got you.
He can't throw out paper again. There's no way.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. You got lucky.
This is it. 3rd round.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Great minds, huh?
Something like that.
Last round before a tie. Let's get a winner out of this. Winner!
All I do is win!